Hey everyone, Arkansas is awesome. They've got the Walmart headquarters, forests cover half the state, they have the only active diamond mine in the United States, and the World Championship duck calling contest. But you know what's even better? Free college tuition. Yep, you can go to college tuition free. And I'm going to jump into the details on how you can take advantage of this after you click the like button and welcome to my channel. I talk about jobs, education, careers, and more. Now, we're going to jump into the Arkansas Future Grant. This is a cool little program that was passed in 2017, and it's a program that falls under the Last Dollar Scholarship Program. If you're curious, it covers the remaining costs after existing scholarships and grants you've already earned. I've got my own separate video on this that talks about Last Dollar Scholarships. See the links in the description below. So, for a quick example, school tuition and fees are $1,000. You got $750 in scholarships. Then the Arkansas Future Grant will cover the rest. The grants apply to the balance of your tuition and mandatory fees. The eligibility requirements for this program are pretty easy to meet as well. They're actually some of the easier requirements I've seen so far. You have to have graduated in Arkansas with your high school diploma or earned your GED, or earned your high school diploma or GED out of state and have lived in Arkansas for 3 years prior to applying to the school you plan to attend. Next, you need to be enrolled at a qualifying school under the qualifying degree or certificate. I've got a link in the description below for that entire list. Finally, you've completed your FAFSA, or free application for federal student aid. Once you've begun receiving the grant, you can keep receiving the money until one of the following happen. First, you earn your associate's degree or certificate. Second, you receive the grant for 5 semesters. Third, you'll lose the money if you don't meet the mentoring or service requirements of the program. And fourth, you fail to meet the scholastic requirements of the school you're attending for satisfactory academic progress. Each school will slightly vary in their criteria, so please check with the school that interests you. There's a small catch to this program. It's not a bad catch, but it's worth mentioning. The state of Arkansas wants to get something out of the money they give you. First, you need to have monthly mentor meetings with an approved mentor from the program. I think this is actually good because it will help keep you progressing towards your degree. Next, you'll need to perform 10 hours of community service per semester. If you did like an hour a week, piece of cake, right? And third, you'll need to remain in the state for 3 years after earning your degree or certificate, as well as getting a job within 6 months of earning that degree or certificate. So, no moving to Tennessee after you've earned your certificate, or you're going to owe some money. Oh, by the way, I've got a free college in Tennessee video if you're wondering, so link below. Now for the bad part. If you don't meet any of the 3 requirements, then the money you got for your degree or certificate will revert to a loan that you have to pay back to the state of Arkansas. Now, what degrees qualify for the program? Well, you can get your degree in proficiency, your technical certificate, or your associate's degree. Awesome, right? If you're looking to get into the trades, this is a great opportunity. Or if you're looking to get your associate's degree, yet again, a great opportunity. Or clicking the like button. That's always a great opportunity. It's right under the video. Unfortunately, there are some items that limit this grant. First, it only applies to certificates of proficiency, technical certificates, and associate's degrees. That means a 4-year degree is not covered in the program. Next, the degree or certificate you are seeking needs to be for an in-demand degree. So no general studies here, no basket weaving, but you can work towards welding. I got a video for that. Or HVAC. I got a video for that too. Along with a detailed list of other eligible programs. I've got a link to the entire list in the description below. Also, there is a finite pot of money set aside each year by the state of Arkansas. This means it's on a first come, first served basis. Once the money's gone, you've got to wait till next year. This program is a great opportunity to get that degree or certificate you want to obtain at a great cost. It is somewhat focused and narrow in scope, as well as containing some requirements to avoid your grant becoming a loan. Take a look at the list of available programs that I've shared in the links below. And if you find something appealing, this could help you towards a degree that will help you get into that career at a minimal cost. Let me know below how you enjoyed the video. If you've been in the program, what's your experience? It's a great opportunity to share in the comments below with other folks who are watching the video. And there's that like button. That's always awesome. Anywho, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe, have a good one,